Ali, you start already?
Yeah.
Ali.
Leah, I clean.
I jump my iron, bro. Stop it, man.
Alright.
Action. Alright. So we are do a Hugh Hall. So them call it, right? Hugh Hall. Hugh Hall? How the fuck you pronounce it already? H-U-A-L. Now Hugh Hall. Who Hall? Who Hall? Whatever you want to call it. So we do this for daughter, Leona. First of all, let's talk about the big old bag. Ah yeah, buy this? How much fee?
No.
Well, could I put Leona in there? Alright, so now we'll go looking at the bag. Take out thing them one by one, see what we get. Alright, so this is our first thing. This is I'll say a water bed. Yeah, so in here so the water go. So the middle part gonna fill up with water and the outside fill up with air. Yo, you know what about it? If you put helium in it, in the outside and the big part of the water. You know helium. What is helium? I'm gonna wait I stop the video for just come out, so it's helium. Ready, set, go. So as me say, what is helium? You don't know. Just talking the truth, you don't know. Say no. No, why you shake your head? Them can't see I shake your head, bro. Say you don't know. No. Helium are the thing will make balloon float. So when you why if it's the balloon them where I go up in the sky, them thing there? We not talk hot air balloon. Hot air balloon are hot air them use to make the balloon float. We not talk about balloon where clown use. That is helium. That them put in the is a gas. Whatever. Anyway, so that's the first thing. Second thing. Sorry about that.
Oh, this Bridget's gone foot, man.
This baby can't walk and she have more shoes than me. So I like a butterfly thing. Can I catch it? Look good? You like it? Your mouth now work? I see. May I know which brand this is? It only said baby. Yo, Leona foot big, you know? It's a 16.
That can't be tired.
Alright, yeah, alright. Alright, so we get some Bridgets.
Baby Bridget.
We get some baby Bridget. Whoa. That bad. Cause she a hot girl.
Just put the other stuff now.
Yeah, try to meet it up back. Alright, third on the list. We get a pack of what is ear clip, ear pin. What do you call it?
Some bully, some ear pin.
Ear bow clip. Ear pin balloon. Oh my god, a balloon. That's the part of my mind. The hairpin bow. And we get 20 pieces in there. So we have look at Laborite, PMP, Purple House. I don't see no red house or dead house. I don't see no. The pink here kind of look fade. The pink here, what do you call that pink here? But you have look a peach. A peach is a yellow. Or this a peach. Brown, but not the ugly brown, the good brown. Yeah. So 20 pieces of that. Next on the list we have what? Man, no, what they made it look better online though. I look good same way. This feel like piece of paper.
Still look good.
It still look good? Maybe that will look good with a suit. You have a matching outfit for it?
Nope.
Not yet, but you just like the shoes. Guys, tell me what you think about that one, yeah? Me not too like it, but Ali say it a shot, so maybe it a shot. Me say it a flip, till it a flop. Maybe it a shot. Next on the list, you know the big bag. So we're doing this. Girly. Oh. Oh, Alan, let me send this. Let me send it down if you want.
No.
This nice. This not nice. Rate it out.
This mad the girl them.
This mad. The girl them. This bad. And have the both go with it. But it definitely not go with the shoes here. Alright, so the Bridgets might go with the outfit. But not them. I don't know. Them must name. I can't Louis V that. I don't know that to blow. But the Bridgets look better with the outfit. So she have one hot girl outfit so far. Well, she have hot girl outfit before, but one hot girl outfit so far from the new packaging. Next on the list. No sir, this mad the girl then. How what am I? This bad. This nail look like ear slippers where you have the brown one.
Mm-hmm.
You have to hit a pink one for much there. You have to hit a pink one. But this bad. This nice.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think?
This is my best out of all.
See your favorite out of all.
Yeah.
Oh my god. This made the girl them can't talk. Ah boy. Next on the list. Which item that okay? About 5 go. Next on the list. Oh them are Timberland. Alright, some little baby get Tims. And it come up with the same plastic paper shoes them. Yo, this you see this? I definitely paper make them. Definitely paper. Like cartridge paper. It feel
soon buy some good shoes.
you know feel this better look good on our foot. Alright, that one I can go on. You can go on though.
Mm-hmm.
Foot big door 110. Size 110. I never know the foot size could have be so. Alright, so the fur inside look good. Feels so soft and nice. So our foot are definitely comfortable when she now walk. Cause yeah, when she buy shoes for she don't walk. That makes sense. I don't know why people say so. We be there with shoes. Anyways, next on the list. What am I? What am I, baby?
Socks.
Alright, Tom. They may look like Tom. Oh, just look like socks. But the bottom part look like Tom. So, my daughter get 100 pair of socks. So you know, say her foot can't cool. So if you see up on the road with her, I say, where the baby socks there? You can't say that again because she have 100 hot socks. She have more socks than the people who make socks. How much pair is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A million socks. Oh my god. 1,000,001 socks. And she get some pepper. I don't pig this. It's a rabbit or a pig.
Bunny.
Bunny. Beer. What them thing? What is this?
Wait.
Clip. It's a character doing her. Well, who nothing still. Next on the list. Oh, what is? Oh, I same thing like that one. Yeah. But this is a Atta Gal version. This is a At Gal version. This is a Atta Gal version. Oh, the bottom of it have a wicked design. And it looks so good. Because you know say her foot not touch ground. So people are gonna always see this underneath her foot. What do you say? Nice. Oh, nice. So, can see there? Nice. So people other people gonna say nice. Put that over there so. Next on the list, we have the big blue, big white. Oh my god. Just touched down in the airport. This after when my baby just land in England. She want to play in the snow. Check inside. Oh my god. Catch that fur. That's real. What we call it? Wool. Like that's wool. And a cotton though. And a cotton. I think a cotton. A wool it name. This is sheep fur. Oh my god. Look at this again. Them dead. This mad the girls them. No girlie. This bad. This bad. So when she step out in this, you know, say head a turn, you know, everybody can see. Why me I do that and she not go walk tonight? Oh my god.
Oh, by time.
By time.
We can't stand up.
But her foot are too big them time there. When she has stand up. You don't think of that? So you have to buy a next set of hot girl clothes again. So it's a waste money pan. Well, I really waste money still. Anything for me, you know. Beautiful.
Then again, it really matter because she a girl, yes, but she a take long.
She a take long. Yeah. Next on the list. How do you Harry? You tell me now. What my daughter do with bed slippers? What she do with bed slippers? Like she a walk. You know when you're in the house and at night time I just put on the bed slippers because you go to bed? Yeah, so me want to know where she a go a bed. And her foot too, and this too long for her foot right now. So I mustn't shower this. Yeah man, I mustn't shower this. So she have bed slippers, send her put on her pajamas. Right. So that's it. Next in the bag. No sir. How much of the hot girl slippers you have? That one you have, how you call that? Shiny? Shing? No man, the one you can tighten it, Ali, watch out. See this? The elastic is stiffer than the rest of them.
Yeah, but it can get slack. More you wear it, the more it will get thin out, done out.
So them do it's a handicapish. Left foot and right foot, like them don't know them foot. Yeah, so that one they look good too. See that size 19. That a foot bigger than no no. Show you say big foot.
Like the father.
She better than like eat big foot. Like the father. Next on the list. What do you mean, Ali? Which brand is? A Chanel? Oh, what? Zoom in. You have the feature there. Oh, what? Get a background music. A Chanel them, you know. You can't buy them there. A Chanel. Yo, Chanel I forgot link. I forgot link Leona right now. Me our manager. See the diamonds there?
Try.
Look on the back. Catch the ball. Oh my god. Wait till you see her in this in action. That's too much. Too much. We don't want it. Next on the list. What do you say? Hefwa. That's it, right? Alright, so we get I don't call them beady. We got mitts. And we got I think a socks them name. Them name sit but other shoes and other socks sit name. It'll come like mitts but a for your foot. So them one day for your foot, and one day for your hand, and she get a beady. Don't know what a beady is? It's a tongue. Simply. But it's different. Kind of look different. Next on the list. This guy has some nursing slippers. No man, this is nurse them wear. This is how you look at nurse them wear. It's a nursey. What does it say? Lovable or love baby? What it say? Maybe could I get her a little nurse outfit? Full white outfit and then she have on there. How do I look a photo shoot for her? And thing. And make it hot. I like them, but we need to see a suit with it. Fit. Is it me? Fit fine. Alright. So next on the list. What? This girl done so. Fuck. You ready now for good? You dep on me? Make sure you dep on you now. Alright. So now next bag on the list. Let's see what we got. No. No, sir. Alright, we'll start it off. So, we get some local battery rider. Some pink one, 2 white one. Actually, 2 pink one, 1 dark, 1 light. Leona now wear them, yeah? Come to know where she are going a battery rider. Nowhere at all. Them are nice though. I have seat pan her first.
Nice.
You have something like it already. So them are nice. I like the color. I like that dull one. You can go on. Alright. Jeez, no. And I don't have to own this, you know. And I don't have to own this, you know. And I don't have to own this. How do you call that one, Ali? Which brand that one?
Fruity Tooty.
No, sir. I have to go with sitting there. This is a Fendi. A Fendi that one, yeah, man.
Fendi pan them. Jesus.
And that one over here is a Chanel. You see? Be mine. Why the fuck just why me say that? Why me say it like a goat? But be mine. That's just weird. Alright, so I'm
I
put the
can't try
feet
to
together.
be a goat.
Were you dumb as hell, bro? Alright, so this I look fit. This one here. Something they send another one here. Rihanna sent another one here called Fendi fit. So and then this I look a scarf. Alright, so as I say, Riri sent Leona this custom. So you can't see no other baby in other one here. The little skirt here, it was hand stitched by the finest of the finest. It make out a literally goat what? How you call that thing there? Goat material. Yes, and it was stitched by the finest handcraft men. And the shirt, you know. And then she add the little signature scarf to it. Forget that little, you know, that little Riri touch there. Bad girl. You see me say? So I Fendi this. And she gets some Fendi makeup and thing, but another time there right now. We're talking about the clothing line right now. Alright, the one you over here, so now. The one you know, me remember if Kylie Jenner or a Kendall or Mackerel, Kendall. How you go again? I don't remember what them name. Whatever them one name. But the Jenner them send that one here. And the one here over here, so. The orange one. But like the little pumpkin look. Maybe we could do a little Halloween theme photo shoot for her. The little one you know. The one here from Chanel. So big up Chanel. She even get a Chanel glasses and bag for go with it. Which is awesome. Yeah. So I eat that pan them little clothes here. I'll put that in the closet. Don't watch the little Shien bag. I know Shien will buy it
So
from.
not introduce yourself.
Huh?
Not introduce yourself.
Introduce myself for? I done the video, I done it.
Who you are?
How to introduce myself for the video done? Let me see what else they in the bag. Bag empty. So I eat that, guys. So that means the video done. Big up on yourself. And no, Leona and the end of the video because she asleep.
And you are?
Her father. Who are you?
I'm the mother.
How kind of voice that there? Oh, where the blow this? At first you had that.
First me talk to you.
Just shut up.